I'm gonna try to control the weather. Yeah, wait. It'd be a little difficult to make it rain, right? That would be something that only God can do, right? Because I'm gonna do something that God can't do. I'm not just gonna make it clear up. No. I'm gonna make it actually stop.
Na festa do fim de semana.